Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about some of the methods related to list. So we have studied what are lists, how we create them. So in Python, some of the methods related to list are that, for example, you want to add some elements or you want to remove some elements. So there are some specific methods related to these activities. So we will try to learn about them. First one is append. So the way append works is you take a list, you want to append any element. So whatever element you want to add will be added at the end of the list. Okay. Similarly, if you want to remove any elements, we used a method called remove. It will remove the first occurrence of that value which you want to remove. Let's suppose in a list 3 is occurring 5 times and I am saying remove 3. Then it will remove the first 3. So the first occurrence of the element is removed from the list. So here I have a demo list. I am printing it just to see how it looks before changing. Then I am adding a element 4. Okay, it will be added at the end. Then I am saying remove in 2.5. Okay, so let me add here another 2.5, or let's make it simple. Let's make it 2, and I will add another 2 here, so that I have 2 2's and I am trying to remove 2. Okay, now when I run this is my first list as it is. Then I am saying add 4 at the end. This is added. Now I am saying remove 2. I have 2 2's, one here, second element, and the fifth element. It removes the second element, the first occurrence. This one is still there. And this is, and for example, if you want to see how many methods are there, you can take, and if you simply say directory and you put the name of the object, you can try it with strings or anything. We have studied with strings also. These are the things you will see. Now I see the method called append. Later we will talk what are these things, but here I can see some of the methods: copy, index. Okay, so if you want to see like this, what are the things associated with this object, I can use directory. If you want to read about any method or you want little hint about something, you can use help and type the name of the object plus name of the method. For example, I don't know what is the meaning of remove. I can try this and run this. Here you will get a basic description. It removes the first occurrence of the value, and if that value is not existing, you will get an error, which is very obvious. If you are trying to remove something which is not existing, you will get an error. For example, I don't have 5 in the list, and if I try to run this, I will get an error. Okay, what is a value error? That means I am trying to remove a value that is not in the list. It says remove x, x is not in the list, which is very intuitive. Okay, so these are the 2 methods which works like this. Now we have similar method. There are a few other methods that I can use to add and remove. So let's talk about them. There is a method called insert. When I am say append, it adds at the end of the list. But let's suppose I want to add at a second index or 5th index. That means you are trying to add based on index numbers. That time you use insert. So when I use insert, first is at what index do you want to add the element, and then you give the name of the element. So here I am saying at the first index add this. Okay, so this is 0 index, first index. So when I am going to add this at first index, this list will move forward. Like this is the second element. When I will add any element here, this will become the third one. Okay, so this is what we call insert. Now index number becomes important because now I am adding it specifically at one particular index, whereas in append it adds at the end. When I say pop, pop is used to remove any element, but here I am saying remove the element which is at index second. So if you see these insert and pop, for them index are important. What we studied earlier, append and remove, they are based on values. Okay, so here I am not saying remove a value. Okay, here I am saying remove the index 2, whatever values. This is the index 2, third element, it will go. Okay, so let's run this and check. This is my demo list as it is. I am saying insert at second value, so this is inserted, 3 values added at this one. So now I have 5 elements. Now I want to remove the third element. This is the third element. Now if you see, this is the same list. When I am adding in the same list. So here I have 4 elements. When I add 1, it becomes 5. Then I am saying remove the third one. So I am updating the same list. Okay. So these are some of the very important methods that we can use when we want to add any element or remove any element, depending upon how. If you want to do it by value, if you want to do it by index, then these are the 2 options that we have, and they are very important when we want to create any logic or add new things to list. Okay, so I will stop here for this video. Thank you for watching.